right, here we are, Muckleshoot Casino. I had the destination elevators, the elevator lobby on the 7th floor. Look at this elevator lobby has a beautiful floor-to-ceiling window. Mount Rainier. Mountain is out. So we're going to 25, 21. So the outside of the hotel, outside of the hotel. 23. Here we go. All right. Dressing mirror. Got an art gallery on the wall. Is that a basket photograph? Giant king-sized bed. Extra space over here if you want to do some exercise. Some more art. Looks like about a 60-inch TV. Mount Rainier is a reoccurring theme here. Nespresso. Wow, another big living area. I could live in this place. Mount Rainier. They got a spa with a swimming pool and jacuzzi. Might even have an appointment for a massage open. Let's go check out the bathroom. Shower or tub, looks like a shower. Got a rainfall shower. I'm gonna spend my whole time in the room. Beautiful. Wow, look at that tree. That's the Pacific Northwest for you. Moss everywhere. That's a cool mirror. Maybe if I play blackjack, I'll win some money. One night, Auburn, Washington, Muckleshoot Casino. It's got a postcard in the mail. It said, come on over. Free room, 4 times this month. 4 nights free, but not consecutive. Elan A gives you 2 consecutive. But they're pretty reasonable without the free room. All right, Muckleshoot Casino in Auburn. Let's see what's in here. Oh, got the safe and the refrigerator. And a nice big wardrobe. The drawer on the bottom, ironing board, hospitality steam iron if you're going to get dressed up, and more luggage space up top, and still more up top there. Uh-oh, someone left some money in the safe. Nope, nothing in there. All right, there it is, folks. And I got that mountain everywhere. Ooh, that's soft. Well, there's a picture of the outside of the casino.